Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Today we will see how to regenerate the pomegranate plant. Friends, I have planted this pomegranate in 2018, but initially we have kept in mind we'll keep 4 stems so as we can maintain the plants in a dense condition. But over a period we realized that this is over dense and it is getting damaged as well as the plant is not sturdy enough. So now we have decided we will keep it to the one stem only and we will regenerate the plant so that plant becomes lower in height and sturdy in nature. So in this video I am going to explain how we are going to do that process. So to know in detail, please stay to the video till the end. Let's start the video. So friends, let us now start the regeneration process. For that we have tools with us. The one is pruning shear and another is pruning saw. We require this tool to disinfect first. Now first we need to look at the plant closely. So we will see that now you can see that this is the plant which has 4 stems and many of the water sprouts. So first step, we need to remove all the water sprouts so that we can see it cleanly, which is the stem which is to be kept. Second, once we remove the water sprout, we need to look at the stem which is most healthy one. So here you can see that some disease or rotten is there. So this stem we will be cutting. Here this is also some damage is there. So we will be cutting this and we will try to keep this stem as a main stem. So we are starting the process of removing the water sprout first. So we are removing this water sprout touching to the stem. Now we have removed all the shoots and you can see all the 4 stems clearly. Now you can see that this is some damage is there. Here also it is damaged and that stem is bent on that side. So we will remove all that 3 and we will keep this one as a main stem. So with the help of saw we are cutting this. So now we have removed all these 3 stems. You can see that now we have removed all these 3 stems and we are cleaning this cut so that no water should stay on it. We are also going to apply the copper oxychloride paste on it to protect it from the infection. Next, we need to look at the plant. Now you can see that this is the one stem which is healthy one and reasonably good with height. Now we need to look for any stems or any branch coming below 1 feet. So here no branching is there. One was there, we have already removed. Here is branch, but we can keep this which is almost at the 1 feet. Then we need to see the plant. We don't want main stem to grow more than waist height. So here we have already pruned this plant before to the waist height. You can see this. We have cut this and these are the branches. So we will develop these branches. Then we need to prune this further at the time of taking the fruit. But this is not the right time for pruning that. We will first treat it for the fruit setting and then prune it when all the leaves are fallen from the plant. But for now, we will leave this plant in this position and we will give the stress of the water to fall all the leaves. And then we will take the pruning for the fruiting. I will update you that this separate video in upcoming time. But for now, we are just completing our work with the single stemming all this plant. Thank you.